Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to construct the LR of K parser. Okay, so that is this is called as LR of K parser table. This table can be divided into two parts. One is action table, and the second one is go to table. The action table can be filled with shift function and as well as reducible function, and go to table can be filled for the only non-terminal symbols which can be generated after dot. Okay, in each and every canonical set of items. Now, here on left hand side we have to fill that what are the canonical set of items totally. Okay, for the given context free grammar. Okay, 9 canonical set of items can be generated, that is called as a totally 10, 0 to 9. Now, to fill the shift function, okay, in the action table, now we have to search and each and every canonical set of items. Okay, so after that, is there any terminal symbols? Now we will consider that those terminal symbol to fill the shift function. Now come to here. So this is called as I0. In the I0, search where is the terminal symbol after dot. Yes, there is a terminal symbol after dot and there is a terminal symbols after dot. Now check out I0 comma A, where it is ended. That is in which item I0 comma A is ended. That means it is ended in the I3. Okay, that is called as C derives A dot C with input string is ARD. That means in the closure of I0 after dot there is a terminal symbol. Now check out where is it is ended. I0 comma A is ended in I3. If it is ended in I3, simply I have to fill that is called as a go to table. 0 comma A can be filled with S3. S3 means shift the shift. S3 means shift. Okay, why we can add the S3 means it is ended in I3, that is why we have to fill the S3. Now look at the table, that is called as 0 comma A can be filled with S3. Okay, similarly come to the that is called as a D, 0 comma D, where it is ended, 0 comma D is ended in I4. If it is ended in I4, simply I have to fill the that is called as a table with S4. Now, so 0 comma D can be filled with S4. Okay, so this is a shift function, and till now that is called as a closure of I0 is over. And next one is come to the I1. Is there any terminal symbol after dot? No, there is no any terminal symbols after dot in the I1. Now come to the I2, and in the I2 there is a terminal symbol after dot. Now check out where these terminal symbols can be ended. 2 comma A. Where is the 2 comma A? Yes, it is ended in the I6. That means 2 comma A can be filled with S6, and 2 comma D is ended in the S7. 2 comma A can be filled with S6 and 2 comma D can be filled with S7. Okay, now look at the table. 2 comma A can be filled with S6, 2 comma D can be filled with S7. Okay, so our next one is, so till now I2 is over. Come to the I3. Okay, so in the I3 after that there is a terminal symbol A and D. Okay, now I3 comma A is ended in the same item. Okay, so that is called as I3 comma A can be ended in the that is called as the same item. Okay, that's why 3 comma A can be filled with S3 and D is ended in the I4. Okay, now look at the table. 3 comma A can be filled with S3, 3 comma D can be filled with S4. Okay, so till now that is called as I3 is over, and come to the I4. After that no symbols. I5 no symbols. Come to the I6. Yes, there is a symbol A and D. Okay, now check out where it is ended. 6 comma A. 6 comma A is ended in the same item, that is called as A dot C with input string is $. Okay, so 6 comma A can be filled with S6 and 6 comma D is ended in that is called as, okay, so I7. Okay, that means S7. Now check the table. Okay, 6 comma A can be filled with S6, 6 comma D can be filled with S7. Now come to here. Okay, so I6 is over. I7 there is no any symbol after dot. I8 no symbols after dot. I9 no symbols after dot. So this is how to fill the shift function. And to fill the reducible function, as we know that we have to take that, okay, all the given contextual grammar productions, okay. So that is called as S derives CC, okay. This is R1 and AC R2 and C derives dot D, which can be considered as a R3, okay. Remember this one, okay. So check out where the S derives CC dot ended, in which item this production can be ended. It is ended in, that is called as I5. It is ended in I5. That means this production is ended in I5. That is called as S derives CC dot with input string is $. That means 5 comma $. So 5 comma $, means this is the given input string or at the lookout symbol. 5 comma $, can be filled with R1, okay, because of S derives CC is ended in the I5. Now in which there is a $, as input string, 5 comma $, can be filled with 5 comma $, can be filled with R1 because of it is the first production. And next one is come to the second one, C derives AC dot. Check out where it is ended. It is ended in two productions, that is called as I8 and I9, okay. Now C derives AC dot with input strings are A or D. C derives AC dot with input string is $, okay. It is ended in I8 and I9. That means 8 comma A can be filled with R2, 8 comma D can be filled with R2 because of it is a R2 production. It is a R2 production. That's why 8 comma A, 8 comma D can be filled with R2, 9 comma $. What is the lookout symbol for the ninth production? That is 9 comma $, can be filled with R2. Look at the table here, okay. That is called as 8 comma A can be filled with R2, 8 comma D can be filled with R2, and there is a one more production, it is ended in the I9, 9 comma $, can be filled with R2, okay. And next one is, now come to the third one, C derives D, okay. Check out where it is ended, okay. So it is ended in I7 and I4, okay. So it is ended in I7 and I4. Now 4 comma A can be filled with R3, 4 comma D can be filled with R3, and 7 comma $, can be filled with R3. Now check out the table. 4 comma A can be filled with R3 and 4 comma D can be filled with R3, and it is ended in the I7 also. 7 comma $, can be filled with R3. As we know that, so for every parsing table, 1 comma $, can be filled with the acceptance because of the augmented grammar is ended in first item, that is called as I1. That's why, okay, 1 comma $, can be filled with acceptance. And next one is, now we need to, that is called as fill the, that is go to table, okay. In the go to table, we need to fill that all the non-terminal symbols, okay, in the each and every item, okay. In I0, is there any non-terminal symbol after dot? Yes, there is a capital S. Check out where it is ended, okay. 0 comma S is ended in, that is called as I1. In the go to table, 0 comma S can be filled with 1 because of the augmented grammar is ended in the I1. And next one is, now C, where it is ended after that there is a capital C. 0 comma C is ended in 2, I2. That means we have to fill the table. 0 comma capital C can be filled with the 2 because of it is ended in the I2. And next one is, okay, so I0 is over, and come to the I1, no symbols after that. Now come to the I2, yes, there is a capital C. Now check out where it is ended. 2 comma C is ended in I5, okay. Now we have to fill the table, that is called as, okay, 2 comma C can be filled with 5. 2 comma C can be filled with 5. And next one is, so I2 is over. Now come to the I3. Yes, there is a capital C. Okay, where it is ended? That is called as a 3 comma C. It is ended in the I8. 3 comma C is ended in the, that is called as I8. That means where we have to fill that 3 comma capital C can be filled with 8. This is the 3 and capital C which can be filled with 8. And next one is check out. So that is called as a 3 is over, 4 no symbols after that, and 5 no symbols after that. Come to the I6. okay, I6, after that there is a non-terminal symbol. Now we need to fill the go to table 6 comma C is ended in the I9. Now fill the that is called as 6 comma C with 9, okay, that is called as 6 comma C can be filled with 9. So this is how we can fill the go to table, okay, and action table, okay. So with the help of canonical set of items, okay, in the action table we have to fill the shift and reduce function. In the go to table we have to fill the all the non-terminal symbols after dot in each and every item. Thank you.